This is a story about ZULA, a new student here in Marlborough who's from another planet called UpsideDownia. Her school looks just like ours, but in UpsideDownia, everything is different.
Hi, good morning.
Hi,
Welcome to Marlborough Public Schools. I'm Wayne Lavin, assistant principal.
I'm Zula.
Zula.
Hi. This looks a lot like where I'm from.
Great.
UpsideDownia?
Welcome. I'm going to give you a quick tour. So this is our first floor hallway leading up to our first grade.
We have hallways. Woo! Yes!
All right, hold on. Time out. So Zula, in Marlborough Public Schools, we have expectations for our hallway while we transition. One of the things is you've got to transition quietly, and we do so to walking down the right side of the hallway. So our hallway expectations are that we ask that you walk in a straight line. You walk to the right of the hallway. You walk in a quiet voice, a 0 or 1. We ask that your hands and feet keep to yourself. We ask that you stay in one physical space, and we ask that you walk directly to your destination, no wandering around the building.
Well, in UpsideDownia, it's totally the opposite of that.
Zula, does that make sense?
Yes.
Good. And right ahead is the first floor girls' bathroom.
Oh, thank God, I had to go.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah.
One of our expectations is that there's 2 red stop signs. You must stop and wait till one of the persons exits the bathroom.
Oh, okay.
So our expectations for the bathroom are only 2 students are allowed in the bathroom at one time. We ask that only 1 student be in a stall at a time. We ask that you clean up after yourself, washing your hands, and picking up any mess you may have made. And you're in and out in under 2 minutes.
You should see what happens in our bathrooms in UpsideDownia.
This is our cafeteria. This is where we eat.
Oh my God, I love carrots.
No, time out. Just like the hallway and the bathroom, we have cafeteria expectations as well. And our cafeteria expectations are we ask that you stay seated until your table is called. We ask permission by raising your hand if you need to get up to get anything. If you make a mess, to clean it up. And we only allow 2 people at a time to use the bathroom or to get a drink. And we ask that you keep safe hands and safe body as you transition to the lunch line.
Can I tell you how it is in UpsideDownia in our cafeteria? You'll never believe it. Man, there's a lot for me to learn.
Well, that's what we're here for, and that's what we're going to help you learn. We're going to teach you.
I guess I should probably clean up all my carrots that I dropped. I'm sorry.
Now you're starting to get it.
Thanks.
Thank you.
So just like Zula learned all about the Marlborough way, we want everyone to practice respect, accept responsibility, work together, and remember, safety first.